Good morning, classic car owners. Well, if you ever bought an old car, this one's a 54 convertible, and you have your chrome looking like this, I can show you how to make it look like that and even better. The way that we do this is we basically get a little turtle wax chrome polish. No, I'm not being sponsored by Turtle Wax. Some steel wool, double aught 0, and a microfiber cloth. Basically apply some of the chrome polish to the steel wool, give it some elbow grease, a little bit of polishing back and forth, and you'll go from something like that, to something like that. I'm going to put this on pause. I'm going to finish up these window frames real quick, and I'll show you the finished product. Thanks a lot. Hold on. Well, sometimes we end up a little bit not quite as nice as I would have hoped. There's still a little bit of detail work to do, but in comparison to what that looked like, it's much nicer now. Got a little bit of cleanup to do here, some other stuff. I'm going to do this other frame back here, see how that comes out. But in comparison to what it was there to what it is now there, it's much nicer. So I'm going to keep going. I'll be right back. Alright, so now we're going to conquer this one. Most of you just look at this and go, man, I think it needs to be re-chromed. But I got news for you. Some of you might ask how much. Simply just a quick dab of this stuff is enough chrome polish to liquefy this thing and really make it work. And I'll show you here. We're just going to do a little spot here. You can see this thing already starting to work. Like I said, just going to do a little spot to show you what it comes up from. This is, what do we spend? Maybe 10, 15 seconds on that thing. And we're going to show you what it looks like. And voila, it's like magic. The chrome comes right back. Take all that junk off the top of it. You got a nice niche chrome. I'm going to finish this up and show you what the finished product looks like. Alright, now for the finished product. So, you see, when we started out, this thing was really, really funky. Ages of sitting in the garage, not being cleaned, sitting outside, who knows. But I also, as I was doing the chrome, I also came down here and I touched this piece of aluminum. You can tell, this side over here where I cleaned it, looking pretty good so far. And that was just a quick little scrub to see what it would do. As you can see, the other side, I haven't touched it, so it's kind of nice. Brings the screws back up and everything. And I touched up the, kind of came across this piece here, The nice thing about this is the honesty of an original car is that by preserving and not restoring, you have a car that's true and original. I mean, all the way down to have the original glass still in the original frames from the day it was put together in Germany. So, anyhow, I'm going to keep going on these things. There's a few other things we're going to get into. The next one we're going to touch is, most of you would look at that ashtray and go straight to the chrome shop. Well, we're not. We're going to show you what that ashtray will come out like with a little bit of elbow grease, some chrome polish, and guess what? Some double aught 0 steel wool. Alright, see you in a few. Let's see the next video on ashtray restoration.